Welcome! In front of me I have Asus VivoWatch BP and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. First, we need to press and hold the side button and we need to keep holding it until the watch turns off. So let's press and hold the button, keep holding it. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds for it to turn off. Once the screen turns off, wait for 2 more seconds and then you can release the button. And at this point your watch should be turned off rather. And now let's wait a couple seconds, and after a couple of seconds you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the side button again. And once you see the Asus logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting into a system. Like this. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.